Hello everyone, my name is Joy and I'm a licensed manicurist, and I want to show you all how to remove a French manicure. So it's actually not much different than removing any other manicure. We're going to use a couple of things. We're going to use acetone, and then we'll also be using a buffer. Okay, so to start off with, we would try it the regular way, which is of course just to moisten a cotton ball or cotton pad and just sweep it over the nail. Sometimes the white can be a bit stubborn, especially if you've added multiple layers. So what you can do is you can just take your little buffer and just kind of grind it down a little bit. You don't want to do too much. You don't want to damage the surface of the nail, but you can just kind of get that to start lifting off. Okay, and then once it starts going away, you can actually go back in with your nail polish remover and smooth all the way down to the ends. Okay, pretty simple, and usually it comes off pretty quickly. Okay, so there we go. We have easily removed our French manicure, and I hope this tip was helpful to you all, and my name is Joy again. Bye.